This is the 8th episode, and here we'll use the state. First, let's create a new component. So open your code editor, open src and components. Here, create a new file, use state.js. Let's create a functional component, so add export default function and the component name. Inside return, let's add a div tag with a class box. Then just add the text state. Once done, let's import them under app.js. So on top, import useState. Then at the bottom, let's use them as the element. Click the preview, and now we can see state. It means our component is working. Now go back to your component. Instead of this state, let's add a p tag and add any number. Then add a button, click. Check the preview, and now we should see a number and a button. Whenever you click on this button, this number should get increased. To do that, we will use the state. To create the state, just before this return, add the const keyword followed by the state name. I will say count. Then to update this state, we need to use state and any name. But the best practice is to use the state name. So I will say set count. Then finally, we need a default value. So we need to use useState. You can see as soon as you write useState, it has been imported from React. Then you can add a default value, let's say 10. Now instead of this static number, let's add state. It should be under the curly braces, and you can call your state, which is count. Once done, check the preview, and now you should see number 10 over here. Now we need to update the state whenever the button is clicked. We need two things: click event for the button, and we need to update the state. First, let's add click event on the button. So just add onClick, and you can pass a function. Let's say handle click. Then on top, you can use that function handle click. And inside this function, let's update the state. So use set count. And since we are increasing the number, you can add count plus 1. Once done, check the side, click on the button, and now the number should increase by 1. If you want to increase them by 10, for example, then you can add 10 over here. Check the preview again, and this time the number should increase by 10. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll share the data between components. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.